All right, guys, so we are moving right along with your island attraction. And so on the next two slides, we're going to get more into the math planning part of your resort, where you're going to need to decide how many different rooms you're going to have of each type. So there's a description in the table that we're going to look at here of the different kinds of rooms that you can build. One important thing to note, you have to have a minimum of 100 rooms. Okay, so this has to total up to 100 down here, which we'll take a look at in a sec. And then you need at least 10 of each type of room. Okay, but you can have more than 10, that's just the minimum. And some of them you're going to have more than 10 because you have to have a total of 100 rooms at least. Okay, so here are your choices for rooms. We've got a 1-bedroom. This can fit a maximum of 4 people. It's got 1 bed, 1 sofa bed, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom in it. You can also have a premium suite. This is going to fit 6 people total. It will have 2 beds, a sofa bed, a kitchen, and a bathroom. Okay. A basic room is going to fit 2 people at most, and that has 1 bed and 1 bathroom in it. So that's me, a smaller one. A 2-bedroom can fit up to 12 people. We're going to have 4 beds, 2 sofa beds, 3 bathrooms, and a kitchen. Okay, and then at the bottom here, you need to write what your total for each type of room is going to be. Remembering that when you add these 4 numbers up, they need to equal at least 100. It can equal more than that, but it needs to equal at least 100. And the least amount of rooms you can have of each type is 10. All right, so thinking about it, I'm thinking that, like, if it were me, I'm just going to give you an example. You do not have to do the exact numbers that I'm doing here. But I'm thinking that I would want this to be kind of a family resort. And so I'm thinking that I want to make sure I have rooms that families would be able to fit in, like a family of 4. And so I'm thinking that I want the majority of my rooms to be these 1-bedroom and premium suites. And so I'm going to have 50 1-bedrooms, 50 premium suites, and then I'm going to have 25 basic rooms and 25 2-bedrooms. And that's going to give me a total of 150 rooms. And I have at least 10 of each type of room. Again, your numbers don't have to be the same as mine. This is just an example. Okay. Moving on then to the next slide. Back to the mouse here. Oh, hold on. Sorry, guys. Let me erase that. Okay, there's the right one. This should be your next slide. Sorry. All right, so this is now taking those room totals that you decided on the previous slide, and you're just going to be using that to fill in the rooms type chart on here. Okay, so it says how many rooms total do you have? So things to remember, a 2-bedroom counts as 2 rooms. So 6 2-bedrooms is actually 12 rooms. The 1-bedroom and the premium suites each have 1 room. So let me go back here for a minute to my previous slide. Okay, so what we can see here is for the 1-bedroom, remember I had 50 of the 1-bedroom. All right, sorry about that, guys. So again, for the room types, we had 50 1-bedroom, 50 premium suite, 25 of the basic room, and 25 of the 2-bedroom. And so just a reminder that all of the first 3 rooms all have 1 bedroom. The 2 bedrooms, the only one that has 2 bedrooms. So that means I have 50 rooms in my 1-bedroom, 50 rooms in the premium suite, 25 in the basic room. And remember, I'm going to double this because each of these rooms actually has 2 bedrooms. So I have 52 bedrooms, which gives me a total of 175 rooms. So how many rooms total do I have? I have 175 rooms. Okay, my next question. How many guests total can fit in your hotel? Okay, so this is where you need to take the number of rooms that you have. Erase this. And you need to multiply it by how many people can fit in each of those rooms. So for the 1 bedroom, I'm going to need to do 50 times 4. Okay, which gets me 200 people. I'm going to do 50 times 6 for the premium suite, which is going to get me 300 people. I'm going to need to do 25 times 2 for the basic room. That gets me 50 more people. So I'm taking the number of rooms and multiplying it by the number of people, maximum number of people in each room. And then for my last one, I'm going to need to do 25 times 12. So I'm going to work that out over here. Okay. Sorry, guys, I know I'm writing on the writing. Okay, so that gets me 300 people. And then I need to add all these up together. So 200 plus 300 is going to get me 500. 500 plus 300 is 800. 800 plus 50 gets me 850 total guests. Okay, I like that number. That's a good amount of people to have at a resort. Okay, how many beds are in your hotel? Okay, so you want to continue the same mathematical process, thinking about how many beds are available in each of the types of rooms, and you're going to multiply that times how many rooms you have. So for example, the 1 bedroom has 1 bed, so that means 50 times 1, so it has 50 beds. The premium suite has 2 beds, so 50 times 2 gets me 100 beds. The basic room has 1 bed, so 25 times 1 gets me 25 beds. The 2 bedroom has 4 beds, so 25 times 4 is 100. And then I'm going to add all this up. 100 plus 100 is 200, 250, 275. Okay, and then you're going to repeat the same process for how many sofa beds, how many bathrooms, and how many kitchens. Excuse me. Again, using the information for the features for each room. All right, and that's going to get you to the next part.